Hi loves, thank you for stopping by. A warm welcome to you if you are new here, and if you are already here, I appreciate you so much. And in today's video, we are going to be making some sunset drink. I will list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below as usual for easy access. So I have already washed all my ingredients, so I'm just going to be peeling my pineapple and I'll be cutting them into bite sizes. I'll be using half of the pineapple. I'll cut everything into bite sizes and I'll transfer them into a bowl. I will also be cutting a thumb size of ginger and I'll set it aside. Moving on, I'll be working on 2 mangoes. I'll cut them into bite sizes and transfer it into a bowl as well. So just a quick reference, I would like to say that there's a difference between a drink and a juice. So this recipe is a juice. So anything that has syrup in it is going to be called a drink, and any recipe that do not have a syrup in it is going to be called a juice. And a syrup is just basically a sugar and water boiled together to make a syrup. Sometimes you can put some other ingredients in it to give it more flavor. I'll continue to work on my mango and I'll scoop all the flesh into the bowl. And now that all our ingredients are nicely prepped, it's time to move on to the next step. In the blender, I'm going to be transferring all the ingredients into the blender and I'll be adding about 1 cup of water. And I want this juice to be in the consistency of a smoothie. You can add more water if you want it a little liquidy, but I want it to be thick, so I will not be adding more than 1 cup of water or just to my preferred consistency. I'm going to be blending this into a very smooth consistency and we'll move on. So at this point, you can strain your juice if you would like, but my blender has done an amazing job, so I don't need to strain this. If I do, I'm not going to get anything, so I don't want to waste my time or to make more mess for me to clean. So our juice is ready. I'm going to serve this over some ice, and it's so refreshing, and this is a perfect sunset juice made of pineapple, mango, and some other ingredients. So I also pour some into my popsicle mold to make some yummy popsicle, and the kids love it, and I know yours will love it too. Thank you so much for joining me in today in this delicious journey, and I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.